Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can put your bullet points side by side in your Google Docs document, like we see in that example here. One set of bullet points on the left row and also one here to the right, side by side. So let us guide you through this and show you how to do it really quickly. Let me delete or remove that example for demonstration purposes and start all over. So what you want to do first, guys, is skip to a new line here in your document and add a table to your document. In the next step, to do that, click on Insert here at the top, hover your mouse over Table and select a table of 2 by 1 dimensions or cells, just like that. So what you want to do in the next step is copy the sets or the bullet points you would like to paste into the left half of your document, just like that, and paste them here, and do the same with the remaining bullet points, just like that. Copy, press Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and that's it. As you can see now, these bulleted lists are divided into a left column and a right column. And the last step, guys, what you want to do is get rid of that table border here. To do that, simply right click on one of these table borders and select table options from the drop down menu. That is going to open up your table options here in the right panel. So click into color here to expand these options and choose a 0 PT table border so that it technically disappears the table border. As you can see, close that menu here in the top right corner, and that is going to convert your bulleted list into a list with side by side here, a bulleted list here to the left and one to the right. And that's how it works in practice, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we catch you later.